Welcome to my passenger train new track layout. This is a multi-angle, so if this interests you, please stay tuned. Alright, this is my free-wheeled engine that's in the back. As you can see, the wheels roll freely. I made this in a different video. I'll pull it off here. You see on the bottom, it's not the original motorized one. And get back on here. Goes on like the front wheels do. It clicks on real easy. You see, it just rolls freely. There you go. Back and forth. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.